Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. There we go. I have a new cube from GAN. It is the Monster Go. I don't know what Monster Go specifically this is. Just Monster Go Magnetic 3x3, their latest one. I like their packaging right now. You have just this pull tab. Doesn't always work, but it's a nice extra unboxing rather than trying to pull plastic off. And I can recycle this whole thing. I don't know if that plastic, oh, well, okay, never mind. Okay, so a lot of the Monster Go's recently, they've all been fairly similar. Then again, all their GAN puzzles have been fairly similar with just minor tweaks. So let's look at this. As far as the pieces go, similar design. We have that hexagon. Pieces look near identical from the last time I looked at this. No magnetic core, although this is a budget cube, so I wouldn't expect that just yet. However, you never know in the future. We have a screw for the center. Springs looks like. Okay, just seems like a standard puzzle. Let's do some first turns with it. I don't think there's lubrication, but it's kind of soft feeling. Fairly stable, actually. Really big magnetic click. That's probably doing a huge help for keeping it stable. It feels stable and it feels, wow. Okay, just gonna mix this up. I'm really liking this. I don't know the price of it. I don't think it's out just yet. It has a matte plastic. I can just tell by feeling it, it's 56 millimeters. Move the camera just a little bit. I'm gonna do a couple solves just so you can see this in action. Ooh, green's looking not bad. Yeah, I'll do green. Started strong and then put the F2L in the wrong slot. Okay. Ooh, now that I'm using a little bit. Don't want to change the tensions. Tensions are fine. It seems nice and soft without any lubrication at the moment. I'll take that. Okay, so let's say, I don't know, this is around $12. My guess, somewhere around there. Once I have the actual price, I'll try to put in the pinned comment. But for the most part, it performs really great. I mean, if I got this out of the box and I didn't know anything about cubing, or if I did know about cubing, it's a fantastic puzzle. Like, this is top tier performance. This is, if this was like, you know, before they started doing ball core and UV and all of that, and like the GAN X or the XS or any of that, like this would be a competitor of one of those. I saw someone recently in a Facebook group, someone asked about a budget GAN puzzle and which one they'd recommend. Someone was like, they're just all bad. Actually, 2 people said that, and they're not. This is great. Someone was like, well, compared to some other one. Well, yeah, I mean, some other ones have maybe the elasticity adjustment. It's not necessary. I don't think it's necessary here. I'm not missing the elasticity adjustment, and the other ones don't have magnet adjustments usually. And as far as size and performance, if you want something that feels similar to a GAN puzzle, this is the closest you're going to get to it, and it's a great price for it, and I would recommend it. Is it the puzzle that I'm going to use at a competition? No, probably not, but I can get near identical times, if not identical, if not better, and I just don't even realize it. But yeah, it's a great puzzle. Matte plastic, that'll break in pretty fast. Performs great. Corner cutting's great. It was really nice and soft out of the box. No lubrication. and I actually couldn't tell at first if there was some because of how it felt. So that's my real quick review. I don't think I need to say anything else about it, but once you know when the price comes out for like Speedcube Shop, let me know. I'll put it in the description. If you do get the cube at Speedcube Shop, use discount code SCR, or actually just any puzzle. Use discount code SCR because you can save at checkout and you can help support the channel. As always, hit like and subscribe for content like this in the future. As always, stop by Speedcube Review for more news and reviews.